Here's the guy that I bought the custom bumper from, and he was putting it on.
Here is the new bumper I put on. Take a look at that. Nice steel. I'm gonna go underneath the truck. You can see right there, one bolt where the old bumper went, and another one right over here. One bolt. I'm gonna see if I can't get behind here for you guys. And right here is one of the screws. That makes 4. So basically it just slid right on, sits right on top of this. It's pretty heavy. You can see the thickness here. It's almost like almost a 1/4 inch, so it's very thick. And I took off that old bumper and put this in. See that? It looks a lot like the Addictive Designs. ADD Addictive Designs. Very strong. Protects the bottom. I like the look. Really gives that clearance on these tires here.